my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Oh yeah, I know. Okay, my aunt, we're gonna go out and spray the spider. Well, I posted a video earlier of the spider. We're barbecuing, see? And so she's having to walk back and forth by the spider, and I wouldn't want to do it either. Don't jump at me. Uh-oh. Oh my god, it's moving!
Why is it already moving?
I don't know. Oh my god. Keep spraying it.
It knew I was coming.
Ah, that is so gross. That's still on there. Oh god. Oh, it's hanging on for dear life. Oh.
Don't come this way.
I ain't having that. Y'all can save it. Ooh. Oh. What are you doing? Crazy lady. Oh no, now it's on the house.
I don't want it coming this way.
No kidding. Where? On here? Is okay, I don't see it either. I'm just feeling shit.
I almost ate my cigarette.
I'm glad I wasn't smoking a cigarette.
Probably I even sprayed it.
Yeah. Oh.
You knew.
Crack, he could fit in through there. In the door.